Hey guys, it's Jasmine and I am back today with a hair video. So today's video is actually going to be a hair challenge, which I have not done in years. But as you can see from these pictures, my hair has kind of been at a standstill. Hasn't been getting shorter, but it hasn't been getting longer, and it most definitely haven't been getting bigger, which is where I have a problem. So my goal is to be fully waist length by the end of the year. So I figured this would be a good point to start a hair challenge. These are my before pictures, wet versus dry, and kind of how my hair looks naturally outside. So I'm going to show you guys my mixture of oil. The first thing we're going to start with is MSM powder. It is used to strengthen, fortify, and thicken hair, nails, and beautify skin. It's organic sulfur, so it is the key to the body for the creation and maintenance of keratin, which is responsible for our hair and our nails, which creates it to grow. So then we're going to use wild growth oil, and I am pretty sure you guys all know what wild growth oil is at this point. Everybody and their mama has been using it. I am also a big fan, so I figured it would only be right to add it into this oil. It is used to significantly reduce breakage, to make significant difference in hair density, thickness, and length. It promotes thick, long hair growth, reduce blow drying time, softens and detangles hair, and it says that it stretches relaxer. I don't have a relaxer, so that's not my problem, but I'm hoping to get all the other benefits from this oil. Then we're going to use my triple OG oil, which is Jamaican black castor oil. If you are having problems with your edges, you most definitely need this oil in your life. I know for a fact that this works in my hair, so it was only right that I add it. It is rich in omega-9 fatty acids that moisturizes scalps and prevents your hair from drying out. You can use this to moisturize and seal. Then we're going to go with vitamin E oil. I used to use this oil all the time when I was relaxed, and I used to love it. And I actually haven't used it ever since I've been natural. So I figured this would be a perfect time to try it out. It is an antioxidant that helps repair and build tissue. When you apply vitamin E oil to your scalp, it reduces inflammation, repairs damage to the follicles, and the healthy follicles encourage hair growth. And that's what we all need in our life. The next oil is going to be avocado oil. And this helps reduce the appearance of dandruff. It moisturizes skin using oils and helps to prevent it from drying out and flaking out. And it also protects your hair from the effects of the environment, such as pollution, sunlight, seawater, and chlorine, especially during these summer months when you guys are out swimming. But I have dandruff really bad, especially due to the weather of upstate. So this oil had to go in my mixture. So this is the mixture. We're going to do a ½ ounce of MSM powder and put that in first so that way your powder does not become clumpy. Then we're going to do 1 ounce of wild growth oil, 1 ounce of Jamaican black castor oil, 1 ounce of vitamin E oil, and then a ½ ounce of avocado oil. Make sure that you shake this really well each time before you use it. And then we're going to just come through with a banger and go in with the liquid biotin. Instead of taking a hair, skin, and nail pill or a biotin pill, we're just going to do liquid biotin because it is said that it has faster and higher absorption compared to pills or capsules. And keratin is a basic protein that makes up your hair, skin, and nails. And biotin has been shown to improve your body's keratin infrastructure, allowing for hair growth. So all I do is shake it up really well and directly apply it to my scalp. And I want to make sure to especially focus on the parts that are a little bit shorter. And then we're just going to do a quick little scalp massage. I had to film after this, so I didn't go in too ham, but usually like I'm all up in there. Then with the liquid biotin, you take a half a syringe and just put it right on in your mouth. And it actually really tastes like vanilla. I was a little extra there, but I mean, y'all get the point. So this is how my hair looks currently. And it, as you can see, it is not short, and I have shrinkage out of the wazoo, but the middle of my hair is a lot shorter than the rest of my hair, and I want to focus on getting all of my hair waist length. So I'm going to do monthly updates, and I hope you guys join me during this challenge, and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah.
Options, cause I've been going off and they don't know when to stop, and then when you get to the top and I see that you've been learning, and when I